Sarvada. Yes, this is the prayer by lauding the Lord Ganesha. We start our class, and also today's thought is an apple a day keeps a doctor away. As you all know that if you eat each day an apple, you will be healthier person. You will become healthy and fit. So it keeps the doctor away. Isn't it? Yes, children. Here, activity sheet number 3. All of you open page number 65. Page number 65. I will write it here. Page number 65. Okay, open it. Prefixes. So, the topic is prefixes. What is prefixes? So, prefixes. Prefixes means what? Letters added at the beginning of a word, we call it as a prefixes. To change of a word, we add some beginning letters, that we call it as the prefixes. Here it has given letters added at the beginning of a word to change its meaning are known as prefixes. For example, td and td. Td. Here example td is there. So if you add un means it will become untd. It gives the different meaning. So here un is prefix. We are adding before the word. That is called as the prefixes. Like that, agree, disagree. Agree, disagree. So agree ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಒಪ್ಪಿಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಒಪ್ಪಿಕೋ. Disagree ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಪ್ಪದೆ ಇರುವುದು. So disagree. Here we are adding the this we call it as the prefixes. Like that, polite, impolite, complete, incomplete, fortune, misfortune, right, rewrite. So these all are the examples for prefixes. Here, an, in, miss, in, re, and these are some of the common prefixes. So here I will write some common prefixes. Which are those common prefixes? An, in, miss, in, next, re, next, this. Here I am writing one line here and dash. Why it is? Because this word is continuous. This letter will continue. Impossible, imperfect. Un, unfortunate. In, incomplete. Miss, misunderstand. In, impossible. Re, reopen. Open, reopen. So it tells about the exact opposite meaning. It changes the meaning. When we add the prefixes, the word changes its meaning. Isn't it? Yes. So now you all come to know that what is prefix and examples for the prefixes. So shall we solve activity sheet number 3? In the A main they have given use the prefixes to make a new word. Some words they have given here. So by using the prefixes you need to change the words. Which are those? Try it yourself. So here in the A main, the first one they have given that open. So for the open, which prefix you will add it? I will write here some prefixes. Here, an, in, im, next, re, this. These are the prefixes. For the open word, which one you will add? Which prefix you add? If you add un means unopen, it makes the different meaning. It changes its meaning. No, it doesn't sound good also. So here, open, reopen. I will choose the re. R-E-O-P-E-N. Open, reopen. Next, coming to the second one, lead, mislead. Here I am writing answers, so copy it down in your textbook. Lead, mislead. Understand, misunderstand. Misunderstand. Fourth one, create, recreate. Create, recreate. Fifth one, type, untype. So here it changes its meaning. Happy, unhappy. So here, what is the happy opposite word? Unhappy. Happy, unhappy. Please, displease. Next, the seventh one is please, displease. Next, respect, disrespect. So here we are adding the dis, D-I-S. Respect, disrespect. Justice, injustice. ನ್ಯಾಯ, ಅನ್ಯಾಯ. Justice ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನ್ಯಾಯ, injustice ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅನ್ಯಾಯ. Injustice. Visit, revisit. Visit, revisit. R-E-V-I-S-I-T. Visit, revisit. Next, possible. So what is the opposite word of possible? Impossible. I-M-P-O-S-S-I-B-L-E. Impossible. Next, 12th one. Usual, unusual. Usual, unusual. Okay. These all are the prefixes in the A main. Understood, children? Yes, copy it down neatly. Next, coming to the B main, fill in the blanks with the prefixed forms of the words given in brackets. First one, my school dash on 1st June. Here in the bracket, they have given opens. What is the open prefix? Which prefix you add for open? Here it is there in open, reopen. You have written in the A main. So choose the reopens. Opens, reopens. Reopens. Second one, Reena saw an dash bird in the zoo. So here, usual they have given. Usual, unusual. So here you need to add un for usual. Then it will become the unusual. Third one, we should not. In the bracket they have given respect anyone. Which prefix you add for respect? Respect, disrespect. So we should not disrespect anyone. Write down disrespect. Okay. Coming to the fourth one. They understood what I said. They dash understood what I said. They misunderstood. So, misunderstood. Write down misunderstood. Okay. Next, coming to the fifth one. Let her dash the knot. In the bracket they have given tie. Tie. What is the prefix? You need to write tie, untie. Okay. So here untie. Next, coming to the next main, suffixes. Coming to the next one, suffixes. Letters added at the end of a word to change its meaning are known as suffixes. For example, here in the prefix, what you do? You add the beginning of a word, but in the suffixes, you add the word at the end of the word. Okay, that we call it as the suffixes. So, what are the example for suffixes? Paint, painter. By adding the er, it becomes painter. Gift, gifted. Fruit, fruitful. Fear, fearless. Red, reddish. Mind, mindless. Okay. So copy it down. These all prefixes and a main and b main. Okay. Complete it soon. Yes. Next, we'll continue with the suffixes. So, here suffix. Suffixes means in the word end we add the word that we call it as the suffixes. Means letters added at the end of a word to change its meaning are known as suffixes. What are suffix? Common suffixes? er, ed. Next, ful, less, less, and ish. These are the common suffixes. Here they have given one exercise in the A main, that page number 66. Use the suffixes to make a new word. So sing, which suffix you use for sing? Singer. The answers I am writing here. Sing, singer. Next, second one. Shame, shameful. Here I will write it. Shameful. Next, joy, joyful. The third one is joyful. Full suffix ful. We are adding here. Learn, learner. Learner. Er suffix I am adding here for the learn word. Next, hope, hopeful. Hopeful. Next, sixth one, rest, restless. Here I am adding LESS, restless. And seventh one, child, childish. Childish. ISH word I am adding here. And self, selfish. Self, selfish. Next, home, homeless. Ninth one, home, homeless. So remaining words you need to do by yourself. 8, 9 I am written here, 8 and 9. So 10, 11, 12 you write the suffixes of that 3 words. Okay. Next, coming to the B main, fill in the blanks with the suffixed form of the words given in brackets. First one, birds become dash when trees are cut. In the bracket they have given home. So, which suffix you add for the home? Home, homeless. So, birds become homeless when trees are cut. So, homeless. Write down the homeless. ಮನೆ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಹೋಮ್ಲೆಸ್. ಸೊ ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ಡ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಮನೆನೇ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಮನೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. So the birds will build their nest in the tree. So if we cut down the trees means the birds will become homeless. Next, it was a fruitful evening. Fruitful evening. So they have given fruit. become the fruitful. Here I am adding the suffix of ful. Fruitful. My brother is older than me. Old, they have given the suffix, if you add means it will become the older. My brother is older than me. Older means the brother is older, means bigger or elder. Fourth one, the dash crocodile tried to trick the monkey. Here bracket they have given self. So which suffix you add for the self? Here it is the selfish. Selfish. So the selfish crocodile tried to trick the monkey. The selfish crocodile. Next, last one. The evening sky had a dash color. In the bracket they have given red. Which suffix you add for the red color? Red. Reddish. The evening sky had a reddish color. Reddish. R-E-D-D-I-S-H. Here I am adding the I-S-H suffix. The evening sky had a reddish color. Yes. This is the activity sheet number 3. So students, please complete this all. Okay? Yes, make a list of these all prefixes and suffixes, copy neatly in your fair book. In the grammar part, you need to write these all things. Here I am writing the answers. Write down neatly. Okay? Remaining we will discuss in the next class. Thank you.